Okay, we'll be making a tenon on a very large rail today for a large door. This door happens to be 8 feet by 4 feet, made out of salvaged joists, 2 inches in thickness. This technique is for somebody who doesn't have a large enough table saw to run it across on a miter gauge, and which happens to be me, so I'm going to have to do this by hand, so this is what I've come up with. I'll be cutting the tenon with a circular saw, and I doubled up blades on that. I've got 2 7¼ inch blades. That just helps cut more away when I hog out the tenon. So here's my rail. This is the middle rail, and I'll be cutting this. So it's cut. I've cut the one tenon on one side. Now I've measured it and cut it to length on the other side. One of the things I found useful or essential is a tenon spacer. So that makes sure that the shoulders on each side of the tenon are even. And so basically I'm going to cut the shoulders first and then hog out the rest. And I've got my circular saw set to the height I want, so that I'm going to have a 3/4 inch tenon. I'm just cleaning up the tenon now with my shoulder plane, and so I'll get it down to the width I want, which is 3/4, 19 millimeters, and so now I'm just going to be going over that, checking the thickness, and I just sawed off the cheeks on the tenon and got it to the right width, and then basically that'll be it. It'll be done. And it should fit snugly. It should be something that you have to push in. It goes in with some force. Whew. Let me put that down. the joint. And I can flip it around too. There's your joint. All right.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
I think that's it. Yeah.